it's certified. Them dirty yard boy, they deserve it die. Purge them all, make it last so versatile.
Reaction.
Oh my gosh, oh, baby, easy on the 7 ladies. Oh my gosh, calm down. If you don't take off your panty, you know, every time I tell on the camera you want to take off your panty in front of man, stop taking off your drawers then, baby. That's easy. You know what I'm to the music video? That is a music video today. It's a hard, but the viewers are coming in. Baby, easy, baby. Viewers and subscribers, comment on this video to see your comment right there next video that I post. Baby, put on your panty, baby. Oh my gosh. You know, I get straight to the video, yeah, man. Comment on the video to see your comment right there. See the next video I post. Subscribe to the channel because we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. You feel me? Screen record, screenshot, tag me on Instagram at Life of Tyreek. Your favorite part of the video is in me and say, yeah, man. We get crazy right now, man. Kman 6ixx. You see me, I say Kman 6ixx. Song called Revenge. When we recommend the song in the comment section down. So you know what to do? Drop some more things in the comment section. Let's get straight to the video. But a big man, mess, like the video. Like the video so the video get recommends to more people. Leave a comment so the video recommends to more people. You see me, I say, I saw we're gonna grow. I saw we're gonna reach 100K. I saw we're gonna become #1 in the community. Already #1 anyways. You don't know chat reaction. Boss! I've been tatted for a reason. Run tune! What am I saying now? I like how them start the song, you know. I like how them start to whole them song them. So yeah, 6 rise. Hey, you know, say some dangerous shit that come for talk right now in the dark. You see, I like how them start them song them. 6 rise. Hey. Man, if you knock it on the ear, you know. Can't sing rise. I'm buying people's boy. I'm kicking like man, you ain't know. We don't live a little strong. Only train that artist them. Only uno sing gun song. Like uno actually sing the gun song them. Melodic. You see me, I say put a melody to it. Man like fucking Colanje. You know when they sing gun song? Hey man, we're not putting on this side. No. Gunshot a beat. Yo! I love feel them bad and mighty. I go hit gunshot badness. We don't pretend we run back. You hear that? Hold on, when you hear the dog start this song? It has a all who feel them bad and mighty. Who not gonna do what? What them a go do? Them a go eat gunshot. Them a go eat gunshot. Badness we don't pretend we wrong. Coulda God Almighty who got them back. Them man ya say them not pretend. Hold on. We don't pretend we. Badness that them not pretend. Guess what them do? Coulda God Almighty who got them back. Chop a pussy wall up tonight. He dog say I'm gonna chop a boy up tonight. I coulda God Almighty. You know care who I protect. Hey. 6 rise, hey, rascal, go on! That AK got to shine so bright. One left a whole base full of candlelight. Go for them in the darkest night. In the darkest night, they're gonna left them ends full of candlelight. Viewers, right now, say if you know if you want to recommend song, if you song bad, drop some 5 emoji before me go anywhere else in the video. I love when you interact with me, you know. So I give you no time. So I now react to the song right now. Someone want if you do what? Comment. You don't comment already? Alright, forward. Go on. We have big long gun wrong, we like it certified. Them dirty yard boy, they deserve it die. Purge them all, make it last so versatile. You could have. You dog say, all I'm killing them versatile. Everybody upon them can versatile. Them when boy they are dirty, they deserve for the what? The dog they deserve for die. Fat or skinny, we have hers for boy. And what? If you jump on belly, me gun burst. Voila. The dog say fat or skinny. Hold on, them general. Oh, yeah, deal with that. Yo. Whoa. That's what the girl them like yesterday. They me say, yeah. Anyways, the dog say fat or skinny. You have hers. Listen, you. Should I know we are Japan belly, me gun burst for joy. 3 gun man attack. Should I know we are evil motherfucker. 3 gun in my attack. You should know say my evil motherfucker. 3 gun at look. Hola. You could have fat or skinny. We have Earthy boy. And if you drop on belly, me gun burst for joy. If you drop on belly, him gun burst for joy. Me bumbo. clad. Then that come out and say 3 gun.
3 gun man a utter. Shut down now we are evil motherfucker. One of them boy go sleep in the gutter. One by one they get head up chip out.
One by one. Them boy go sleep in a gutter. 3 gun. And guess what? One by one, I'm gonna take them out. You should have known say dog is a evil motherfucker. Rascal, go on, my general.
20 minute casing, 7 point for your pussy boy. I'ma kick like Manuel Neuer. Be done label a destroyer.
Hold on, hold on.
Kick like Manuel Neuer. Be done label a destroyer.
They done label a destroyer. That's what me say?
I kick like Manuel Neuer. Be done label a destroyer. You know where you're inside. When the war time in the play.
Oh, the man them sing them things like yeah. No war time, we no play, yeah. But shut up. No, sir. Oh, me a break character. No! We not break character. You see me? I say, right, she get the girl have to take off her panty. She take off her brassiere now. And she soon throw them over here upon me. But guess what? We are right to the bomb buckle belt video right now. You see me? Ready?
Slide and we come again. No risk, we come again. Anyway, them dead, man, I drill them.
Right now, a youngster 61 here right now.
Team T, like a place with the pussy them talk about. Pun on the most.
Team T. We don't have a song named Team T, but what exactly is Team T? Viewers and subscribers, because I don't know what's going on right now. I know there's a song named Team T. You see me? I say, you have a next team of people. You see me? I say, this is not a number this time. Cause be a number we are here about, you know, man. You're about 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, you know, man. You see me? I say, so Team T. That's the group name now. You see me? I say, no. R.I.P. Rebel 6. Rest in peace, my general. Run tune!
Came out about out execution style. Boy dead film out. Whole family had the know when the drag it roll out. The 6 player. Man run out in the face, brought it in the face.
I'm talking about 6. What the bomb buckler? What go on for squash? Like, long time in your song fans go a long time to do some reaction videos. You know? But what squash I deal with that? But that big man, I forgot check him out and see him go out in a music scene. You know?
Big mama, we using not to teach. Fat boy must dead win the bros. TNT lock the place while the rest of them must knows. Man, I real done says from since in the school. Me run up in the disciples.
Man say, Marie don't say from him in the school. But he does say, yo, guess what? I'll Team T like a place again. He say it again. You see me, I say. But no, that's again. No little bother to me, you know. You see me, I say.
Do you want to shoot them bros? See boy, then from the city side to the key.
I see what I'm going for the rest of the EP because, you know, me slow. I never know the EP that was actually out already. Now I'm going to lie to you, know.
Go.
I never know the EP will come out already. Like, as you can see, I may not listen to the song them yet. You see that? Me listen to fucking No Label, come do the reaction to No Label. And now, the one I right now we listen to right now. So, and as a matter of fact, them two, they actually alone have like, you know, a outstanding amount of views. But I'm go so boom, made that one and changes. That not like a gun song. New Heights, that not like a gun song. Shoes, me not like a gun song. Obsessed, not like a gun song. She say, girl song, Kman, swear you have it out.
For the ladies.
For the ladies, alright? Alright, I like what I got stuff. I like when I start with a 6 rise hell. Say no, say it's like girl song, this real for the ladies, them for real.
Oh man, never try hit ya. Say in the mind if me carry my 9 with ya. Your love shock is so we shine better. Pass big, you make her finds the car. Walk up when she try like a bad bitch in my picture.
Alright.
You know, so we clean, get fully Gucci. She come a G sitting up, she know I live. She tell me and I gon' find out, cause she have a couple chick up her slave. But loving she did, she realize your pop.
Alright. Let's go through a messy song them on the label. I go give them a listen differently after I'm done the reaction video. You see me? Chosen one. I keep myself a chosen one.
so we thought for run. New lifestyle, but the better pass me gun. Them say me
You hear that? He dogs say, no want that again, but guess what? You better pass me gun. New lifestyle. Hold on, them in general. Go on, no? We'll go to someone.
sound like me are the chosen one. In the super style, hotter than the burning sun.
Alright.
Bitch in my dog mansion. Money up, every Glock got a switch and jump. Remember,
Every Glock got a switch and a jump. You see me? Not just to extend them, you know. He got the blood clot barrel on the end.
the way you say, shut the spit and done. The more cries, more elevation. One shot take your life, so me stay paranoid.
Yeah.
No, never go against my man.
Never know what? Alright then. Next one, so what's I go on? I like that go on good. That go on good. Young General. Who that brother? The Meds Boss, X38 from BL. Young Star 6, Demon Thoughts, Kman 6ixx, Shelly, and Wako Dan Jump Out. After we know them song, Tafara, Young Star 6, but the bumbo clap, there's a glowing global as I drop some fucking song in the dog. I don't know about it. Like I said, come on 6 months ago, I don't know what's like. First, I see this in my life.
Rise, hell, we too dark, them, so we too dark for them. Axe Finch, I no problem. Have a gun on them, run on them, left him friend. Real murderer. Hey, look him, they don't get him,
Yo, I don't know that song in the dog.
Kidding, from me this team T and non-stop chilling. AK shake,
So that's the name that says Team T for. Come in the video, early in the video, I say, oh, what is Team T? And Sklat. And 12K, Shelly 12K.
Jobs to make killer them must kill him. Fatal, too offended with him. Gunshot fence like hurdler, full of gun rifle.
Me too sober for to them song right now. Like I know so me lit in a dog and get it. So turn on the camera and I say I trouble and I say no. Me being sober now do them singing no justice right now. So I easy my one buckle myself, you know. You see me milk up 12K Shelly 12K because I don't think I ever to a song from that brother I had before, you know, that you see me a Skelly 12K me talk about Shelly. Skelly 12K. Me see what you do with me general. 100K me put the blood clot mask up. No, Shelly 12K and Wako Dan Doomsday. I think I reacted to that song. I never reacted, but I think I heard that song there before. Fully 8 records, so you and Kalanji are link up. Alright. So he's a Kalanji artist. No, hold on, he's a fully 8 record artist. I made that one of them drop 4 months ago.
Is this a trash can?
It's not. It's better. It's a way to give your
Mask up.
Yo, Sonny.
Mash up any ends, got feeling. We mash up any ends, get like a feeling. Mash up any ends, coffee. Coffee them anyway. And a 50 cent Pomeranian game and finna have it. Start with the blood clot when evil and dark keep all full of sin. A spang full of rifle, what's your boy facing a fraction?
Alright. I left the rest of I'm too sober now. You see me, I say, I feel lit to give some bad reaction right way. Like, you see man, make a hard song and beat big up. You see me, this fucking hard G. Don't do it for Wako. Need the video. Mask up time. Anyways, I sign out. You see me, the video I get too long anyways. I don't like watch a long video. So, drop some more stand down in the comment section. Preferably music videos, y'all. You feel me? You see my mood just change when the music video did. But if you see me, like, listen. For a music video, I not feel lit for watch a react to a music video. You see me, I say, but for the harder them that I don't like, just a look for one fucking harder. I not like a measure them all the time. Like I'm like look on the girl them, or I see a gun or something and go on, or some signal or something in the video. You see me? I like them shit there. You see me? Or them if you have made a song. Buckle, I don't even understand that I say more while. You see me? So I go sign out to that one man. I go soon tomorrow with another reaction, and maybe later with another reaction. What I know? This is my second reaction for today. Yeah, big up on yourself, man. My God.